Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these Lampwell small table lamps for living room or bedside. So it has two of these little guys. And here they are. These take candelabra light bulbs. So you could put them on here like this, with the light bulb in there, or yeah, you put them like this. I was saying you could flip it over, but then the light bulb sticking out of the top, it'd look a little weird. So we have the cord here. We'll see how long this cord is. And we have a little switch here on the light as well. Okay, I'm going to go put this next to my bedside, see how it looks, and we'll show you that. Alright friends, so this could be a little complicated putting this on there. So I'll just show you how to do that real quick. This portion comes off. And then the lampshade goes on there. Then this screws right back on there like this. And then you put the light bulb in. If you have a little thinner light bulb, it might work. But these are a little bit thicker ones. And so it wouldn't fit through that metal part of the shade. And then it just goes right here. I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how long the cord is. If I can get this little twisty tie off. Really? There we go. Okay. Okay, so it's probably 4.5, 5 feet long. So that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put this by my bed and show you guys how it looks. All right, here they are. Actually pretty cute little lamps there. I think they look pretty elegant. Put out a decent amount of light, not overpowering, but you know, enough where you could read by it. And then you can just simply switch your light off or on with this little switch here. So it's conveniently located right there. And you could turn that on and off. But I think it looks really nice actually. Complements the bedroom, and you could read by it without it being too bright and disturbing your partner. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.